So today, let's talk 10 treatments under $10 per week to look 5 years younger fast. So you're over 35, you want to look younger, but you're not looking to drop $10,000 on a face. The good news, you don't have to. Think of this like happy hour for your skin, except the drinks are under 10 bucks and the glow, well, it lasts all week. These 10 treatments each cost less than a fancy latte, and yes, they work. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tell my patients over 35 years of age. Your time's valuable. Number one, Korean sheet masks. $3 per use. Use them about twice a week. That's about $6 a week. You see, Koreans cracked the hydration code. Dry skin is wrinkled, unhealthy, and inflamed. Korean sheet masks deliver occlusive, naturally occlusive if you get the right ones, meaning no microplastics. But yes, they have occlusive properties, obviously. 4, hyaluronic acid, peptides, avocado lipids, snail mucin, centella, also known as cica. No fluff. And I'll post a link to $3 sheet masks in the more information below this video, and I'll pin it to the top of the comment section. Hydrated skin reflects light better, plumps fine lines, reduces redness, and a lot of my patients over 40 tend to get some redness. The science, well, dehydrated skin shows 20 to 30% more wrinkles under UV analysis. Pro tip here, you can use them daily, but even twice a week, you're gonna see a big difference. Don't wash them off when you're done after about 30 minutes of having them on. Press in the serum with the mask, and mine have enough essence for your neck, your décolleté, knees, tummy, and arms as well. Number 2, creatine monohydrate. $20 for 60 servings. That's about $3 a week. Yes, the muscle supplement, as many of you might think, but did you also know it's a skin booster? Because creatine helps ATP production, your skin's cellular fuel. It works well with an LED mask because the LED mask and red light work similarly. In fact, one study showed topical creatine improved firmness and reduced sagging in women over 50. Internal creatine supports dermal volume, and volume takes up room, and that plumps fine lines. Think face and body because you're taking it systemically. And that little bit of water retention, I know some of you say in the first week or two you get, that subsides almost always. So get through that stage and you'll be fine. Pro tip here, take 3 to 5 grams per day. Some people load it in the beginning, but you don't have to. Just start taking it. Number 3, collagen peptides. $30 for 30 servings, that's about $7 per week. The target, wrinkles, elasticity, and sagging. But guess what? Hair, skin, nails, and joints, they respond first. Look in the comments below my collagen videos, and you'll see most people actually take it for joints, hair, and nails, not skin, but it helps the skin obviously very much as well. You want to look for grass-fed collagen peptides type 1 and 3. These are proven now by science to increase dermal density and skin hydration. We now also know that collagen molecule, well, it's a signaler. It's a signaler to your body to produce more collagen. And yes, we have studies on absorption of it for those that think it's just metabolized in the stomach and it's worthless. This has now been proven wrong, and the benefits of collagen powder are well known, not just anecdotally, but of course through science now as well. In fact, 12-week studies show up to 20% reduction in wrinkle depth and increased skin elasticity. Very important. Add to your daily coffee. A lot of people like to do that, or water. You can mix it in water. Mine mixes well with just about anything. But if you are using it in your coffee, pro tip here, you want your coffee to be below 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That not only protects your esophagus, but also makes sure your collagen peptides are nice and active. I like to use a foamer for my morning cream and milk to mix it all together, and you get a nice foam. Number 4, retinol cream. Think $30 for about 30 doses. That's about $2 per week. Most people use it twice a week. Retinol boosts collagen and increases cell turnover, but too much will cause inflammation. I recommend retinaldehyde or encapsulated retinol. It comes with less irritation, but the same results. In fact, better results from retinaldehyde than retinol, so watch for that. Tip here, start twice a week and always follow with a moisturizer if you're a sensitive skin type. Number 5, AHA peel pads. Think $50 for about 60 of these. Most people use about 2 per week max, and that's very inexpensive. Glycolic acid exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens your skin. Think of it like cleaning fog off of a mirror. Smooth skin reflects more light, and that equals more glow. Bonus here, and importantly, it also increases epidermal thickness over time. When is that key? When estrogen declines. Think after 35 to 40. Pro tip here, start weekly and work up. Peel pads are the next level, and they often even allow you to skip your yearly chemical peels. Talk about money saving. Peel pads are the Costco of exfoliation. More value, less markup, and you still walk away with glow. Number 6, Volufiline cream. $60 for about 60 uses, $7 a week. That's even using it daily. It's a plant-based fat plumper for skin, topical filler style, like the new FBBL, the face BBL that's stealing the spotlight right now. Mine is vegan. Volufiline targets the subcutaneous fat, and that supports mid-face fullness. As one of my patients told me, it's like a good push-up bra. Subtle support, major difference. Pro tip here, apply it for full face and neck, and then go over the areas you want a little more volume in and add a little bit more. Number 7, Gua Sha. Buy the tool once and then it's free forever. Manual massage will remove lymph, like stagnant lymph that you don't want, stimulates collagen, and it lifts tissue. But the upgraded version, think red light and vibration added. That boosts your blood flow and facial fat stimulation. Now you're going to use this about 3 times a week and take my absolutely free course. I'll put it in the comment section, I'll pin it to the top there and put it in the more info section below. Number 8, sweet almond oil. It's about $6 for 60 uses. That's pennies a week. It's occlusive, soothing, and it's high in vitamin E and linoleic acid. Mix a drop with your retinol or use it as the last step in your routine to seal all that great hydration in. Bonus tip here, it helps prevent moisture loss overnight, a key time that skin dries out. So you can use it after a Korean sheet mask before you go to bed. Number 9, rice water toner. This is a DIY, again, pennies a week, a K-Beauty classic. Rich in amino acids and trace minerals. It helps brighten skin and refines pores. Clinical studies with rice water show improvement in elasticity and barrier function. I did a video a while back on how important that was. Now, how do you do it? Well, you soak the rice 24 hours, strain that great water, refrigerate it, and apply it with a cotton pad 3 times a week. You can save that liquid for 7 days in the refrigerator, so it's easy to do this. Number 10 is an LED face mask. Cost amortized over years. So it's about $3 a week when you work it all out. Yes, even the pricier devices pay off long term. Red light, you want to think about 630 to 660 nanometers. That's what's going to stimulate your fibroblasts the most. Pro tip, use it just 3 times a week for 10 minutes. It's all it takes. You don't have to overthink this. If you buy quality and medical grade, the bulbs in there, they never change in power or wavelength, and they'll never give off heat. So buy quality, buy one that's tested, and you'll have it for a long time. So there you go, 10 ways to rewind the clock without maxing your credit card. Because at 35 plus, aging is inevitable, but how you do it, that's your power. You'll now want to watch this video all about Gua Sha and then take my free course to solidify it all. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.